We were sent these mesh bags for our review and I absolutely love them because of the size. As you can see, they are not very large. They are 4.5 by 4.5 inches. So these are really perfect for your travel bags. I love these even for my purses as well, because oftentimes when I throw any kind of makeup or anything like that inside my purse, it kind of just gets lost at the bottom. So being able to have something like this that is not too large, does not take up too much space, I know that I can just grab this really quickly. And the fact that it's mesh, it's see-through, I can see what is in here and makes it really easy. My husband loves them when we are traveling for all of his cables. Again, same thing, just a quick glance, you know which cables are in here, because I have so many other bags that I'm kind of digging around. I'm like, where are these things? And now it's like, yeah, right away, one quick look, you can see what is in here. So this is a pack of 4. Clearly these ones are the black ones. They do come in different colors. So if you are looking for something that's not too big, but will keep your stuff organized, highly recommend.